How to find all your activity on TikTok app. Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to find all your activity easy and quick. So first thing, go to your TikTok app. Once you are on your profile, click on inbox, and here you're gonna find your activity on TikTok app. Click on all activity up there. And now you have likes, comments, Q&A, mentions, followers from TikTok. If you want to know all your mentions, your comments, your likes, whatever you want, all your activity mean here you're gonna find followers, comments, anything like happened on your TikTok. So this is it guys, easy and quick. Hope this video was helpful. Please don't forget to subscribe and like.